What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video here. Do you guys ever feel like all your money's just going to bills? Are you worried about your future because you don't have that nest egg saved up for your retirement? Well, this video is going to be for you. Let's grab a cup of coffee. We'll be right back. How's it going, guys? Pete here again. And we got our cup of Joe here. Now we're going to talk about what debt is doing to your future. Financial coaches, when it comes to debt, is Chris Hogan. He's one of the Ramsey personalities that you'll see. He even has his own show and podcast. One of the best ways he describes debt is stealing from your future. Is that small payment really stealing from your future? Is it that extreme? Well, yeah, it kind of is. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and kind of prove that out today. We're going to be talking to a guy, and we'll call him John. John is a young guy. He's up and coming. He needs a $10,000 loan. We go, okay, here's your $10,000 loan. $161 is going to be your payment, and you have 6 years to go ahead and pay this off. But wait, John, before you go ahead and do that, think about what you could have in 6 years if you weren't paying this debt. But instead of putting that $161 into a debt that at the end of the loan is just going to be satisfied, but what if you were to take that $161 and put that in a savings account that the interest is being compounded every year? What would you have at the end of that 6 years if you were to take that $161 and invest it rather than pay it to someone? So this is an everyday transaction out of the bank. People are either taking money or they're bringing money. At the end of this, John will have paid over $11,500 for his $10,000 loan over those 6 years. When if he just took the smarter solution and just waited and didn't have that urge to need that money right then and there and put that $161 away, what we would really see is that he would have a nest egg of about $13,500. Now, how is that? That's the beauty of compound interest. Every year, that money is being compounded each and every year, over and over. Now that small investment that you just made over that 6-year period has now just grown to over $13,500. How can you not say that debt is stealing from your future? It literally is. You can make so much more by putting money where it needs to go rather than just putting that money towards something that you needed now. What we're going to learn from this is that every financial decision has two sides. One that's going to give you either pain today or happiness later, or one that's going to bring you happiness now or pain later. There's no ifs, ands, or buts to this. Building wealth is hard to do, and it takes discipline. And when you start being intentional with your money, that's when you really start becoming an everyday millionaire. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the video. We'll see you in the next one.